Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tuna pastil the only way. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of flaked tuna in oil, ensuring it's well drained. Also, have 2 cups of cooked rice ready. Day-old rice works wonderfully for this recipe. Don't forget your basic spices like salt and pepper, and a little oil for sautéing. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's create the flavorful tuna filling. In a pan, heat a tablespoon of oil and sauté 1/4 cup of chopped onions and garlic until they become fragrant and translucent. Next, add your drained tuna to the pan. Gently flake it with your spoon, mixing it well with the aromatics. Season the mixture with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to taste. Cook for a few minutes until heated through. With your tuna filling ready, it's time to assemble the pastil. Take a banana leaf or, if unavailable, a piece of plastic wrap. Place about 1/2 cup of cooked rice onto the center. Then, spoon 2 generous tablespoons of your flavorful tuna mixture over the rice. Carefully fold the banana leaf or plastic wrap, shaping the rice and tuna into a compact, oval-shaped parcel. Ensure it's tightly wrapped to hold its form. Your delicious tuna pastil is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm for the best experience, perhaps alongside a perfectly fried egg for an extra treat. A sprinkle of fresh scallions or a squeeze of calamansi juice can add a wonderful burst of flavor. This simple yet satisfying dish is perfect for any meal. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.